Hey Juan, it's Nate with GPS and Track. Just wanted to briefly show you those devices we discussed for your trailers, dump trailers, some flatbed trailers, and then the vehicles themselves. So we had the wireless unit with the 5-year battery. This has a magnetic bracket, so you can bolt it on there and then just stick it on things, or you can bolt it on through those 4 bolt holes. And then we have the hardwired tracker. It's actually waterproof all the way up to the connection points. Just power ground is needed. You can also wire ignition into the vehicles. Super simple setup. But just to show you how they work, you can see the map here, and we have a variety of devices. But the first one I want to show you is the hardwired tracker. So we can see the device with the location. We can zoom in on it and see kind of exactly where it's sitting right now. And then we can also see all the information as far as what's going on with the vehicle. So it's parked, speed is 0, battery, you can see the voltage coming out of that right now. So this is helpful on the dump trailer because you can basically keep tabs on the volts leaving the battery on the trailer, and we can alert you if the voltage drops below something usable. So you find out that your battery needs some love before you go find out on your own. Same with the vehicles. And then it'll tell us whether it was a start or stop movement. And then you have this little locate now button. So you can locate them whenever you want, see where they're at whenever you want. The other one is the wireless tracker. And here's an example on a trailer. And this one, let's switch over to the satellite view. These are exact. We can see where something is. We can see where a specific car is parked based on this location. But this one's different because it's only updating on the movement. The other one had that locate now button. We can see the battery percentage, the address. We can see when it last updated, how many satellites it's reaching. And then on both of these, you can set geo fences up. So if you want to know if it leaves a certain job site, if you want to know, if things are just leaving where they shouldn't, you can have a text alert and let you know. We also have the ability to set up movement alerts. So you get texted if it moves, or after hours movement alerts, just if it's moving outside of a time where it should. We can set all that up as well. So there's quite a few things on there, a few options. Price wise, like I said, we're unique because we don't charge monthly fees. Don't go pay 15, 20 bucks a month forever. It's going to add up to be way more than you need to pay. That hardwired tracker was $169 with 2 years included. The wireless was $239 with 3 years included. And then they're both just $20 per year after that, as long as you want to keep using them. So if you have any other questions, want me to show you anything specific, please let me know. You have my cell phone, just give me a call. It's 480-604-5449.